Luxury isn't about living in a big homes. It's totally about living in a right location with right lifestyle. And that's exactly what Vaishno Luxuria offers you. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Vaishno Luxuria by Vaishno Ventures, which is located in Dommisendra, Vartur, East Bangalore. So right now we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the surrounding. Right over here is the main entrance of our project. So here will be the main entrance. Once you enter, the land parcel starts from here itself. And this is your community villas. The marketing office is right over here. Now before starting our video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, about amenities, talking about the super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. So stay tuned until the end to know all the details of this project so it will be easier for your decision making. So let's start our video with project overview. And our villa development project is spread across 4.17 acres, consisting of 70 premium villas. Each villas are rising from ground and goes up to 2 floors. You'll be getting exclusive 4 BHK villa in this community with peaceful living. Talking about the location part, and our project is located bang on Nerigi Muthisandra Road in Dommisendra, Vartur, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing exactly on the main entrance. Just behind me is the main entrance of our project, and this is the Nerigi Muthisandra Road. So basically this road on the right hand side will connect you towards Nerigi, and the opposite side road will take you towards Muthisandra. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Vishwa Vidyapit in just 1.8 kilometers. Gunjar Muglu Road is 2.3 kilometers away. Sahasra Hospital, that is just 4.9 kilometers from our project. Now about the amenities part, and this community offers you world-class luxurious amenities like you get cafeteria, indoor games, swimming pool, clubhouse, play area and many more. If you're looking for a home in Bangalore, then here's a strong recommendation from my end, as Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. Many home buyers don't exactly know what their rights are. For example, if you book a home by paying a token amount and later on decide to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after a possession there is any construction related issue in your project, then is builder liable for it or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So my recommendation is before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. Now let's discuss about the super built up area, and our project consists of 4 BHK exclusive villas where 4 BHK villas start from 3060 square feet and goes up to 3130 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and our project booking window is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model villa once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the direct booking. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Vaishno Luxuria by Vaishno Ventures, which is located in Dommisendra, Vartur, Bangalore. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.